looks fun. I'm not seeing things, am I? That is a motorcycle on a crossing. I'm not seeing things. How strange. Should probably put your belt on before driving. What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Are you wearing your belt?
No. Right, money now. Just crumbs now.
Actually, no, rewind. We are going to take the piss out of that dickhead because he parked in the bus stop.
Okay. Rewind.
That's my rewind sign, sorry.
Yeah, I noticed.
I'm not just making funny noises. But I do make funny noises, don't I?
Yeah, but
These tablets make me feel tired. Clap twice, Alexi. Quick. Yeah, thank you.
I have my hands full.
Balls. You can do it now if you want, and we'll edit it in.
I've already done it now.
Okay.
I know.
It's sad, isn't it? The things you do in Bristol to stop people parking, what happens is people park there so much they've actually started to block it off with little plastic policemen to stop, literally to force people to park somewhere else. Because they will park on the zigzags. They're that fucking stupid. Yeah, we got some smart people in Bristol. Fine, whatever. I don't understand them, right? They'll sit there with their indicator on and they'll not pull out, yeah? They'll also sit there, pull out, then indicate, and then start beeping and going crazy at you because you've just like been a knobhead. It's like, well, I don't understand Bristol bus drivers. They're fucking weirdos.
I was thinking we probably just, I might as well just get one of them then, haven't we? Dad.
Yeah, what is this car doing?
Reversing, now turning, now stopping.
What's a strange thing to do? Oh dear, we shouldn't have done that. We shouldn't have done that, Alexi. We shouldn't have done that.
No, you shouldn't have.
They shouldn't have done that.
Yeah, but the person behind you's done it as well.
Spank me.
Oh, well, this is clever, isn't it?
Yeah, there's some special people, though. There are some actual special people.
He's on his way.
Naughty boy. Fucking plank. Need to stop swearing. Get the fucking monetised. Shut up and dance. Oh, come on, man. Drive your car. Drive your car. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Why is everyone going so slow today? Good parking. Go, you're not even paying attention, are you?
No.
Go.
Bloody useless.
Yeah, I know. You're welcome, my darling. Dirty, 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 dirty bitch. Why did you move forward for, dickhead? You were stopped behind the keep clear box and now you blocked it. You're special. Although I must say that was pretty sexy looking for a Peugeot. I'm not gonna lie, I don't generally like Peugeots. They look a bit meh and girly, but that looked pretty smexy.